What our standard car wash includes, which even some so-called premium wash do not include. First, undercarriage and low-lying parts are cleaned with dedicated formulation that drips down grime. Then foaming is done with Magic Shine shampoo that is pH balanced and have shine boosters. Then trim and tire polish is applied. Chemical X is applied on grills and suspension to deter dirt accumulation. Here are the results. Even finish on parts where Chemical X was used. Please like and subscribe. Guess price in comment.